Let's start this video with a question. Have you ever scrolled through Twitch to find a good live stream to watch, just to find all of them looking like this or even this? I have too, and my Twitch streams are just like this. Or at least, for now. I've seen many streams with little characters walking around at the bottom of the screen. These come from an app called Stream Avatars. These look really cool and I want to add them to my streams, so let's go check it out. Oh. Okay, so I kinda don't have the kind of money to be buying this, which is a bit of a problem. But I know how to program, so why don't I just make it myself? Well, that's what we're doing. So without wasting any more time, let's go over to the desk and plan out this project. I decided to use Trello for this project. I usually use Milano or create a checklist, but I decided Trello would work best for this. I highly recommend using them if you don't already. With all that being said, let's go ahead and start planning. So, Twitch integration. That should be hard, right? Well, not really. Lex1Git has been kind enough to upload a free package for Twitch integration in Unity. I just have to add it in. And now I just have to... And boom, it works. So yeah, not hard at all. Ding. Now checking to see if there's a new chatter is also not hard. The package also comes with a script to detect new chatters, so let's just... Now this does come with a few errors, but with a little work, we can easily fix this. And boom, just like that, there's a box. Wait. No. No, stop. And just like that, there's a box. Only one box. Ding. And now finally, I just have to migrate my chatbot into this. I only have to write a few lines of code and then I'll be good. The original chatbot wasn't too hard, just being a few commands, so I don't expect this to be crazy difficult. Okay, so once I type in this command, let's go. We got it working. Ding. All right, I'm tired. I'm gonna go ahead and get some sleep and I'll get to the advanced stuff tomorrow. So, making the chatters move properly. It should be pretty easy. I hope. Of course, I've done this all before, so I shouldn't struggle. You know, unless I forget that I have a script written about this exact thing. Okay, that took way too long. I'm an idiot. I forgot everything I've done in the past, and my goodness, I hated that. But it works now. Everything works now, and I can be done with this thing. Or at least this part of this thing. My goodness. Shoot. Jumping. Gotta do jumping. Alright, that took so long. But I finally have jumping implemented. Please jump. Gosh, I hate my life. So yeah, I can now check that off the list and move on to the next thing. Yay. Ding! Okay, this took way too long, but I finally have some fun commands set up. So now, if the viewer wants them to, their box can jump, it can explode, or my personal favorite, you can have the box just be flung. Now I will polish these up later, but I want to get this video out eventually. Ding! I'm about to go live with what I currently have, and I just hope everything turns out great. It should work if you try, no matter how many times you do it. For my thing's just a bit different because it has to respawn mine manually. Oh, gosh. Okay, never mind. That is a problem there. So, not great. We had a lot of bugs going on, not only for the chatters, but just for my box too. So instead of working on cool new features, I guess I'm just bug fixing. So fixing the problem with the names and the infinite boxes was pretty easy. The real problem is now I have to figure out why the boxes just decide to float every now and then. Okay, that was actually much easier than I thought. Come on, do something. Yeah, there you go. So I fixed all the bugs that I know of. And yes, I did just record the green screen part. And no, I will not be taking it down. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so this took way too long, but I now have it set up to where if you go over here, buy it, and enter a small message, they'll grow into a big size. And then after 2 minutes, they will go back down to a normal size. So this took a lot less time, but now if I were to redeem a channel point and enter in a color, the box turns that color. Ding! Okay, it's sleepy time now. I'm going sleepy time. I'm very tired. So, we're in the final stretch and I have about 5 more tasks left. Once I finish these, I can finally move on to something a bit more fun. I'm hoping to finish this either today or tomorrow. Clicking and dragging the chatters is one thing I really want to get done, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so it works now. We just pick him up. We can click and drag, let go, and he's on his way. Yeah, I'm just gonna scrap everything else. I don't need it. Ding! And with that, we are done. And this took way too long. But hey, check out my Twitch if you want to see the final product. It will be in the description. Also, go check out my Discord. That will be right by it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!